How to make video calls on WhatsApp Business. Want face-to-face conversations with your clients? Here's how to make a video call on WhatsApp Business. First, open the chat with the person you want to call. Click the video call icon at the top. It looks like a small camera. Once they answer, your video call will start and you will see them on the screen. You can mute audio or turn off your camera anytime using the controls of WhatsApp Business. Good lighting makes video calls look more professional, especially for business meetings. Do you use video calls for client meetings? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And that's how you can make video calls on WhatsApp Business. It's quick and simple. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.